How do governments create a vehicle trusted with protecting a nation's leader? It begins long before a single panel exists.
Armor begins as carefully engineered steel chemistry. Even tiny temperature changes affect final strength. Every batch is tested before production continues. Security vehicles demand exceptional material consistency. Pressure transforms heavy slabs into precision armor plate. Thickness tolerances are measured in fractions of a millimeter.
Heat treatment changes the steel's internal structure. Hardness alone isn't enough. Toughness is equally critical. Internal defects invisible to the eye can weaken protection. Ultrasound reveals what humans cannot see. Internal defects invisible to the eye can weaken protection. Ultrasound reveals what humans cannot see.
Modern protection combines multiple materials. Different threats require different defensive layers. Ceramic armor sacrifices itself to absorb extreme impacts. Even microscopic cracks are unacceptable.
Composite layers help disperse impact energy. Computer nesting minimizes expensive material waste. The vehicle's protective skeleton begins here. Every structural tube must be perfectly clean. Computer-controlled cutting eliminates cumulative errors. Accuracy now prevents alignment problems later. Prepared edges create stronger weld joints. Precision machining improves structural integrity. Fixtures guarantee identical geometry every time. The vehicle still exists only as individual pieces. Only now does the vehicle begin to take physical form. And every millimeter matters. The protective structure starts with an exceptionally rigid foundation. Each weld follows a digitally programmed path. Crossmembers distribute impact forces throughout the chassis. Rigidity improves both protection and handling. Hidden imperfections are detected before production continues. Structural integrity cannot rely on appearance alone. Heat treatment stabilizes the welded structure. It helps preserve dimensional accuracy over years of service. Thousands of measurements confirm perfect alignment. Even tiny deviations are corrected immediately. Armor panels require extraordinary cutting precision. Complex shapes maximize protection while reducing unnecessary weight. Smooth edges improve both safety and assembly precision. Every mounting surface must fit perfectly. Armor must match the vehicle's complex geometry. Bending thick ballistic steel requires tremendous force. Protection begins with precise positioning. Every panel must align before permanent joining. Continuous welds eliminate weak gaps. The armored shell starts taking shape. The roof is engineered as an active protective structure. It contributes significantly to occupant safety. Layered protection performs better than a single material. Each layer serves a unique defensive purpose. Different materials react differently under extreme stress. Layered engineering improves survivability. The protective layers now become one engineered system. Precise compression ensures long-term durability. The protective structure is finally complete. But it is still far from becoming a functioning vehicle. An armored vehicle demands immense torque under extreme loads. That strength begins with a precisely machined crankshaft. Every bore must remain perfectly aligned. Precision machining directly affects engine durability. The rotating assembly forms the engine's mechanical heart. Clearances smaller than a human hair are carefully controlled. Each piston converts combustion into mechanical force. Balance is essential for smooth, high-load operation. Uniform bolt tension creates a reliable engine seal. Computer-controlled torque eliminates human variation. Supporting systems keep the engine performing under demanding conditions. Reliability is just as important as power. Modern transmissions multiply engine performance efficiently. Every gear set must mesh with exceptional precision. Perfect alignment reduces vibration and wear.
Power now flows through one integrated system.
Two separate manufacturing lines finally converge. This is one of the factory's most critical operations. The armored shell finally receives its source of motion. Millimeter-perfect positioning protects long-term reliability.
Armored vehicles require reinforced suspension components. Extra weight demands extraordinary durability. The suspension must carry extreme loads comfortably. It balances protection with passenger comfort. Suspension geometry influences stability and safety. Every mounting point must remain perfectly aligned.
Balanced suspension improves control under heavy loads. Alignment is verified before moving forward. Accurate steering is essential for a vehicle carrying extraordinary responsibility. The chassis is now ready for exterior body integration. Even the doors begin as flat sheets of engineered steel. Every opening must match the armored body perfectly. Protection comes from the structure hidden inside. Internal reinforcement absorbs tremendous forces. Each door becomes a structural armor module. Weight and strength must remain perfectly balanced.
Armored doors are significantly heavier than standard automotive doors. The hinges must support thousands of opening cycles.
Heavy armored doors require robotic precision. Perfect alignment ensures effortless operation.
Protective glass is built from multiple engineered layers. Transparency and strength must exist together. Edge quality prevents internal stress during installation. Optical distortion is carefully minimized. Every window becomes part of the protective shell. The seal must remain both secure and flexible. Thousands of electrical connections power modern protection systems. Every cable follows a carefully planned route. Protected electronics coordinate every critical vehicle function. Reliability is engineered into every connection.
The interior begins with hidden structural elements. Comfort is added only after the protective framework is complete. Driver controls must remain precise despite the vehicle's weight. Mechanical feedback is carefully calibrated. Advanced ventilation supports both comfort and cabin protection. Every duct is sealed before testing. Noise insulation enhances comfort during long official journeys. Hidden craftsmanship shapes the passenger experience. The protected cabin is finally complete. One major transformation still remains before the vehicle can move. The only missing connection to the road is now being built. Forged wheels combine strength with reduced weight.
A durable coating protects against years of demanding service. Uniform finishing also improves long-term corrosion resistance. Run-flat technology helps maintain mobility after tire damage. Every wheel assembly is dynamically balanced.
For the first time, the vehicle can support itself. Every fastening sequence is digitally verified.
Correct alignment improves stability and tire life. Small adjustments have a major impact on performance. A flawless finish requires careful inspection, not just automation. Surface perfection is measured under controlled lighting. Thousands of electronic checks are completed before testing begins. Every critical system must communicate flawlessly. Performance is verified before the vehicle ever reaches a road. Controlled testing protects both equipment and operators.
Protective sealing is tested under severe conditions. Even tiny leaks are unacceptable. Final approval depends on hundreds of individual inspection points. Nothing is left to chance.
Branding is one of the final manufacturing steps. Only fully approved vehicles receive their identity.
The final presentation reflects the precision beneath the surface. Every detail is prepared for official service.
Finished production is only the beginning of the vehicle's mission. Transport preparation protects months of craftsmanship. From raw metal to a fully engineered protective vehicle, every stage demanded uncompromising precision. Every component, every inspection, and every decision contributed to one purpose: engineering confidence for one of the world's most demanding automotive roles.